Hi guys, I'm Chris from Supermicro, GPU Solution Manager. I'm so excited to be here at GTC 2019 Silicon Valley, not just because of the new technologies I see all around the booth, but also I have Lim from NVIDIA, Sarosh from Supermicro. They're going to tell us more about the new technologies. So we know that GTC has been long positioned as a very important event for artificial intelligence. We've seen a lot of new technologies bring in by NVIDIA, such as the GPU for parallel processing and the Tensor Core for deep learning computing. What are the new challenges you guys see this year, and what are the new technologies that you bring into us to solve these challenges?
The latest data center GPU that NVIDIA has introduced is the T4. And with this small form factor and low power, T4 can be easily deployed in any environment and across different use cases. And the use cases include deep learning training and inference, data analytics, machine learning, and many video applications, including virtual workstation, transcoding, and rendering. Absolutely, we're seeing T4 being deployed in many enterprises and for many different applications. And these enterprises include retail, smart city, industrial, finance, healthcare, and a lot of higher ed institutions as well. Supermicro is a very strategic partner for NVIDIA. Supermicro offers end-to-end solutions, and they have a very broad portfolio of servers.
Yes, Chris, I'd like to add that the GPU business is one of the fastest growing at Supermicro. We have a wide range of products that have done well in our X10 GPU family. We've ported them all over to the X11 GPU family, and we are seeing business continue to grow strongly because of the AI explosion that's happening across all industries right now. So it's very strategically important for Supermicro to stay closely aligned with NVIDIA. When the V100 was launched, that's the highest performance GPU out there, Supermicro is one of the few partners ready with the product to ship on day one. We want to continue doing that, and that doesn't happen by accident. We have close working relationship with NVIDIA, weekly meetings, roadmap alignments. So when they have the next great GPU come out, we want to make sure we are there on day one with products ready to ship. As Lim mentioned, there's two phases of AI. There's the training part where you take your knowledge, you take your labeled data and train your model. And then there's the inferencing phase where you take your trained model and apply it in the real world to solve real world applications. In our X11 GPU portfolio, we have designed two new high-end systems, one for high throughput inference applications and one for the highest level of training performance. So I'll talk about these two systems. Here we have our 6049 GP system. This one does up to 16 or 20 T4 GPUs. You can see them out here. And this will be used for the highest throughput inference applications. It can also be used for high-end VDI or transcoding. So this is our system for the highest performance training. When you've got a large complex neural network with billions of parameters that you need to train, you need something like this. So we've seen the market evolve from 4 GPUs up to 8 high-performance V100 GPUs. This model takes things one step further, going up to 16 V100 SXM3 GPUs connected by NVLink and NVSwitch. This is the highest performance you can get today. This will provide you with 2 petaflops of AI application. I'm really excited about this system. We are sampling right now to early customers, and we'll start our production ramp end of this month. Right, it's a really interesting time in the industry right now with AI being applied to solve all different kinds of problems, from large established companies to a lot of startups tackling different problems. I get a first-hand view talking to many of these customers, and really whatever your AI application may be, high-end, low-end, training or inference, chances are Supermicro has a box for you to run your application and solve your problems. Thank you.